Hello everybody, I hope your day is going so good. Today we are talking about how to clear out negative emotions around money. So when you want to manifest something, you need to be so in alignment with the thing. Like you can't have any stuff at a cross purpose with it. And when I say cross purpose, I mean on a subconscious level, you can't have anything blocking you from manifesting money, because when you have something blocking you, you're not going to manifest it, because your subconscious will never make you a liar, as Tony Robbins says. And it's way more powerful than your conscious mind and just thinking, because we don't manifest from what we think about, we manifest from our subconscious beliefs and our self-worth. And so if on a subconscious level we have beliefs around maybe we were a kid and we saw our parents fighting about money and we were like, oh my god, money makes you fight. Or maybe you form a belief around money is never there for me, it's not available to me. Or one that I see with a lot of my clients is I'm not enough, so I don't deserve money, I don't deserve to feel taken care of. And so when these things are looping in our subconscious, that's what we're projecting out to the world. So we're gonna have some sort of negative feeling and emotion around money. So it's so important to clear these things up when it does come up, because the more you can kind of clear these weird subconscious blocks out, the easier that money can flow to you, because we are naturally meant to be abundant. It's not meant to be a struggle. It doesn't have to be hard. Money is just always responding to who you are being and what you believe about it. So when you get rid of those negative feelings and thoughts around money, it can come to you so much easier. And so some of the ways that I like to do this are through rapid transformational therapy. Nothing is as good as RTT for when it comes to getting rid of your weird money stories, because you don't even have to know necessarily what is going on that's blocking you. You just have to know what the pattern is and what the sort of feeling you're having around it is, and then we can just go in and find out what's the thing looping in there, what are the beliefs you're holding on a subconscious level, and let's get rid of them and reprogram that. So when we reprogram on a subconscious level, it's 95% of our behavior comes from the subconscious. It's the way that we feel about things, and that feeling dictates the action that we're going to take. You'll never take action fully if you don't believe something's possible for you, because that just sounds like too much work. You're not going to do it. And some of the other ways are doing EFT tapping, tapping on the emotion and the feeling of what's going on, and just releasing that and filling up with what you choose to believe about it instead. Journaling is really helpful too, just for getting aware of what's going on for money, just writing it all out, even if it feels really weird at first, just writing it down and be I feel like this around it, I feel like this, I feel like this, and just getting clear on what actually is going on inside there. I think sometimes people are afraid to admit to their negative feelings around money because they're scared they're going to attract more of it. But the thing is you can't heal what you can't feel. So if you can't feel it and you can't identify it, you're just pushing it down, it's just going to stay in there. And at one point it's going to explode. So it's better to go in there on our own and get really clear on these are the feelings of what's going on. This is how I feel about it. And telling yourself a better story and being this is what I choose to feel instead. So hopefully that was helpful for you, and I will see you soon.